All right, Philippine Standard Time, 44 minutes past the hour of 1. As promised, after the break, makakasama ho natin ang manager ng Gilas Pilipinas, si Mr. Butch Antonio. Hinga natin ng, updates pa rin at kumustahin pa rin natin yung patuloy na preparasyon ng ating Gilas team. Mr. Butch Antonio, magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon, Tony, at magandang hapon po sa ating mga tagapakinig.
Opo, ayan. In behalf of Benji Santiago na medyo busy lang ngayon, kaya supposed to be kayo sana yung magkakasama dito, Sir Butch. But anyway, first siguro gusto muna naming ipaabot ang pagbati natin sa SBP, sa lahat ng mga tao behind dito sa ating team na ito. Nakakadalawa na tayo and tayo ay muling haharap mamaya sa isa pang matindi-tinding hamon, Sir Butch.
Opo, kami po, we are really happy with the support, no? Unang-una, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat sa ating mga kababayan na sumusuporta sa team, and kitang-kita from yesterday's game that the team throve on ika nga yung sixth man na yung ating crowd, no? And the team is very much into the thick of things, and we'd like to still keep on getting better kasi mahaba pa yung ating tatahaking landas para dito sa FIBA Asia Tournament. Well, 2 wins is 2 wins, but hindi pa tayo pwedeng, actually hindi talaga tayo pwedeng mag-relax all throughout the tournament because alam naman natin every game counts.
Yes. Pero Sir Butch, how's the condition of our player? Kumusta yung kanilang kalusugan? Are they in shape?
Well, right now, mabuti naman at everybody is in good health. Good. So far, we have our coaching staff and our physical therapists taking care of the players, no? And ini-ensure nga natin ngayon nga ang utos ni Coach Chot is to get off their feet, no? Ibig sabihin, magpahinga buong hapon kasi alam naman natin na mamaya malaking mabigat na laro, and we just really have to keep on performing the way we did nung second half nung game kahapon. Sana ganun katulad ng intensity natin.
All right. And yun na nga po, kumbaga actually hindi lang fans talaga yung nagpapakita ng suporta. Napakarami nating mga kilalang personalidad ang talaga they tried talaga their best to yung makita sila at may pa-feel nila yung support dito sa team, Sir Butch.
Yes. Actually yun nga, nakakatuwa. Even nung paglabas namin kahapon, we would really like hindi namin masasabi lahat ng mga pangalan, and we cannot express talaga, pero talagang sobrang tuwa kami, and ang after the game we were just talking yung mga light talk after the game, and we were just talking about how thankful we are. The crowd got into it, people were thriving, the players were thriving on the energy na binibigay ng crowd, and hindi mo malaman kung paano i-express yung tuwa
that's true.
It's unbelievable. It's amazing and unbelievable how much the people rally behind this team, and naman kami nga, it's our obligation to make sure that tuloy-tuloy yung ating performance na maganda para mabalik naman namin in our way, which is playing well and winning, na yung masuklian man namin kahit konti yung support na binibigay sa atin.
All right. Day 3 pa lang tayo ngayon, Sir Butch. It's still a long way. And of course, isa rin sa mga lagi nating tinitiyak dito is the security of all the players, the officials. Kumbaga, lahat-lahat na dahil kumbaga ito isang napakagandang opportunity for us Filipinos na maipakita natin how beautiful is MOA Arena and how warm is the people. So, kumbaga talagang isa rin yan sa mga, I'm sure, tinitingnan ninyo dyan sa sa grupo.
Actually, when we were coming up with a plan, no, for hosting the FIBA Asia through sila Executive Director Sunny Barrios ng SBP, one of the things nga talaga, of course, outside of hosting basketball games, it should be a showcase. Yun talagang naisip na kailangan isama, no? Ibalot doon sa pakete.
Yeah.
Na gawing showcase itong ating pag-host na that we are not just a basketball fan or we are not just basketball fans or a basketball country, but we are a nice place to be at, no?
Correct.
And even from they tackled everything from food all the way up to security. We had to make sure that everything's in place. And so far naman, so good, no? Lahat ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno na ating in-involve sa ating torneo, nung binubuo to, very cooperative.
Pero, Sir Butch, how's the officiating? Kumbaga, wala namang, kumbaga, after the games, kumbaga, dapat maka-adjust doon sa mga calls, any feedback doon sa officiating? Wala namang problema?
Wala naman talagang problema. I think it's something that we as a team na tayo rin dapat we adjust to the call set by the refs, no? Alam naman natin that the FIBA game or the international game is very much different from our own PBA game.
Yes.
And that's why it was very important for this team na nakapaglaro sa labas. Doon pumapasok yung importansya ng paglaro natin sa Lithuania at sa New Zealand kasi doon ang laro nila international game. So adjusting is still there, but at least napondohan na yung knowledge about the game, and I think we're adjusting well, and we're adapting to the types of calls that binibigay sa atin dito sa FIBA Asia tournament.
That's good. Okay. Sir Butch, sabi nga nila, yung makalusot tayo sa ating kalaban kagabi sa Jordan is, kumbaga maganda na yon. Pero maliban ba dito sa kakaharapin natin na mamaya, alin pa ba yung, of course, given na yung Iran and saka yung China, alin pa ba yung talagang, kumbaga, magiging napakabigat na hamon para sa team natin?
Actually, if you look at the teams, no, we probably have China and Iran as nung nag-start yung tournament as the top 2 seeds, no. Tapos makikita mo kumpul-kumpul sa gitna. Ang Pilipinas, ang Chinese Taipei, ang Jordan, ang Qatar, ang Japan, or in that middle, no, lahat ng mga koponan na yun ay mayroong pag-asa to be in the top 3, no? And that's why atin, I think it's China and Iran are being thought of, but hindi natin pa concern yan. Ang concern ng coaching staff at ng team is to prepare for, of course, Chinese Taipei tonight. And in
one game at a time.
Yung next phase makakalaban natin is Qatar, Japan, and Hong Kong. So, yun muna ang ating kailangan na
paghandaan. Kumbaga, one game at a time, Sir Butch.
Oo, i-hurdle natin. Yeah.
Okay. So, at least, yun nga yung sinasabi nila, given malalaki sila, pero of course, yung bilis naman ng Pinoy, kaya nga maraming mga analyst na, yes, mayroon tayo, kumbaga, kaya nating yung bilis ng Pinoy at yung passing ay napakagandang na-develop sa team dahil nga malalaki sila. Kumbaga, talagang isa yun sa mga masasabing bentahin nila sa atin. Pero the way I see it, Sir Butch, mukhang naman may solusyon tayo dun sa kanilang height advantage.
Actually, yun nga, sila Coach Shot naman have thought of the strategy way before, no? Yun nga, it's a given na tayo mga Pilipino, we may not have the height. But there's one thing, we are very athletic in our own right.
Yes.
And our skills are very much at par with the best of the world. And ang isang kaya nga, ang strength natin is the skill set, our knowledge of the game, and our quickness, no? And everybody may have the same skill sets, but I think not everybody is as quick as the other team.
Yes.
The other teams also may be not as tall as the other team. Kaya nga ang atin, since we've identified our quickness as an asset, doon tayo nag-focus. Kaya nga is, mapapansin nyo, kung may pagkakataon na talaga nating itakbo yung bola, kung pwede ngang tawaging track meet ang game natin. Yun ang ano talaga. Yun ang tema na gusto natin. It should be a track meet.
Anyway, Sir Boots, thank you very much for your time and hopefully katulad nga nung nabanggit ninyo, yung support, yung ika-anim na player sa loob ng MOA ay patuloy na maramdaman dahil dagdag pong ano yan kumbaga dagdag na enerhiya yan para sa ating mga players. Yung naririnig nila yung ating kababayang sinusuportahan sila.
Opo, kasi iba talaga. It was we've played abroad and we've had the Filipino support ng ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Na siguro kalahati lang ng gym atin or 80. Pero yung buong gym na 20,000 ang capacity at lagay mo ng 95% cheering for you. Yumayanig yung gym kahapon sa ingay at sa pag-cheer nila. And I hope they always come and I hope we don't disappoint. Kasi I'm sure if we keep on playing and if we keep on getting better, I'm sure the crowd and the fans inside the arena and outside the arena will be a big factor sa ating pagtagumpay.
Yes, Sir Butch. Okay. Well said. Baka may mga gusto pa ho kayong banggitin dyan before we totally wind up this afternoon?
Well, as I said at the start of our usapan, maraming salamat po. We can never say thank you enough to the supporters, the Filipino fans of basketball. And kahit nga yung mga hindi mahilig sa basketball, biglang sumusuporta at nagbibigay ng mga kind words sa mga players.
Yes.
Sana hindi ho kayo magsawa. And rest assured that we will always come out trying our best. We will always come out sa games na ang nasa isip namin is we're not playing for ourselves, but we're playing for 90 million Filipinos.
No?
And I guess with that kind of mindset, yung ating chant or ang ating sigaw sa team is puso mailabas talaga for the Filipinos.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Butch Antonio, for your time this afternoon. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Tony.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, the manager of Gilas Pilipinas. So, when it comes to health, is okay sila. At malaking bagay. Yes, totoo po yun, di ba? Alam mong nandyan yung kababayan mong sinusuportahan ka all the way. So, 'di ba yun yung isa sa mga sinasabing ang pwede nating isuporta sa kanila maliban pa dun sa panonood dun sa venue ng ating FIBA Asia. So, ongoing pa rin yung maybe siguro third quarter na o baka fourth quarter na yung game ng India and Kazakhstan. So, nagre-rest ang ating mga players dahil yung schedule ng laban ng Philippines versus Chinese Taipei ay 8:30 p.m. Okay. So, muli po ay nagpapasalamat tayo sa lahat ng mga sumubaybay dito po sa DZR Sports Hour. At wala man yung ating team captain, nasa linya lang natin siya na kasama. So, sige po. Ang atin hong paanyaya pa rin every Saturday from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Salamat sa pakikinig po ninyo and suportahan natin ang Gilas Pilipinas at malay natin na eto na yung mahabang panahong inintay not only ng ating mga sports officials na in charge dito sa Gilas kung hindi sa lahat ng ating mga kababayang Pinoy. Thank you very much. Sa pangalan po ni halftime. So, still dikit pa rin, yung halftime score, India 38-43 Kazakhstan. Okay. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa pangalan po ng ating team captain na si Benji Santiago. My name is Tony Cuevas. Thank you for listening.
Don't know what to do but to give our to mine. Better stand tall when they're calling you out. Don't bend, don't break, baby, don't back down. These are my confessions. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live for
Nabitin ba kayo mga teammates? Huwag mag-alala. Muling magbabalik sa susunod na Sabado ang Sunshine Radio Sports Hour kasama ng inyong Captain Ball, Benji Santiago. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig.
Sunshine Radio.